Welcome to my Origamikharadee channel. In this detailed tutorial, I will guide you through the fascinating and calming process of creating origami jasmine paper flowers, a craft that combines creativity, patience, and the beauty of traditional paper folding. Jasmine flowers are known for their small, delicate white petals and natural fragrance. Although we can't recreate the scent with paper, we can certainly capture their graceful appearance using origami techniques. This craft not only looks impressive, but is also surprisingly simple once you learn the folding patterns and assembly method. We will start with the basics, choosing the right type of paper. Jasmine flowers look best when made with white or light-colored paper, preferably origami paper or any soft, foldable craft paper that holds its shape. I'll show you how to cut the paper into squares, if it isn't already, and then we'll go step by step through the folds that form the individual petals. You'll learn how to create the classic 5-petal jasmine flower and how to repeat the process to make multiple flowers for a bouquet or cluster. You don't need to be a crafting expert to make these flowers. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so I'll explain every fold in a slow and easy to understand way. Even if you've never done origami before, you'll be able to follow along. This makes it a perfect activity for kids, hobbyists, students, or anyone looking for a peaceful, screen-free pastime. It's also a great DIY home decor project. You can use your finished jasmine flowers to decorate rooms, hang on walls, attach to greeting cards, or create floral centerpieces. They're also ideal for special occasions like weddings, Eid, Diwali, Christmas, or birthdays, adding a handmade and heartfelt touch to your decorations. In addition to the paper, we'll use a few simple tools like scissors for trimming shapes, glue to assemble petals and attach them into a flower, and optionally floral wire or green paper if you want to add realistic stems and leaves. I'll also give tips on how to shape the petals to look more natural and how to layer the flowers for a fuller effect. By the end of the video, you'll have created a beautiful jasmine flower from just a piece of paper, and with practice, you can make entire garlands, bunches, or even mix them with other paper flowers for a custom bouquet. If you enjoy creative paper crafts, this is a perfect project to relax, express your creativity, and make something beautiful with your own hands. If you enjoy this tutorial, please consider liking the video, leaving a comment to share your thoughts or ask questions, and subscribing to the Origamikharadee channel for more inspiring origami, DIY crafts, and paper flower tutorials. Your support helps the channel grow and encourages more creative content. Thanks for watching.